Welcome! If you want to make sure you never miss a message or mention on Discord, enabling desktop notifications is the way to go. In this video, I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to turn on desktop notifications for Discord web on your PC, using the latest update. First, open your favorite browser and head over to the Discord website. Log in with your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the Discord web app, look down at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture and username. Right next to them is a small gear icon. This is your user settings. Click on that gear icon to open up your settings menu. Inside the settings, you'll notice a list on the left side of the screen. Scroll down until you find the section labeled App Settings. Under this section, look for and click on Notifications. This is where you can manage all your notification preferences for Discord. Now, in the Notifications menu, you'll see several options. What you're looking for is Enable Desktop Notifications. Toggle this option on. When enabled, Discord will send notifications directly to your desktop, so you'll be instantly alerted to new messages, mentions, and other activity, even if you're working in another tab or window. If you're prompted by your browser to allow notifications from Discord, make sure to click Allow. This step is important. Without browser permission, Discord won't be able to send notifications to your desktop. And that's it. You've successfully enabled desktop notifications on Discord web. Now, you'll stay connected and never miss out on important updates from your friends and communities. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who might need a hand with their Discord settings. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your improved Discord experience.